Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Dropbox link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to Dropbox.com. Here log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your Dropbox dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. After finding your desired file, click on it to select it. This highlights the file and brings up a few options, including one for sharing. Look for the Share button or Copy Link icon. Select that. Dropbox will automatically generate a secure shareable link for your file. Once the link is created, click Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you want, in an email, a chat, or even a document, to share it with others. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can access the file, so make sure you only share it with trusted recipients. And that's it. So that is how you can create Dropbox link. So that's all for this video. Thanks.